So in this question on 1st March 2019, Sri Kailash Chand, Lucknow. The place is very important. So Lucknow commenced business with cash 50,000. The following are his transactions for the month of March 2019. Record them in proper books, post them into ledger, and take out a trial balance. In this sum, you are going to see journal, books, subsidiary books, ledger, trial balance. So one sum, this is the whole sum of subsidiary books. So so in this sum, first step you have to prepare cash book. Second step, purchase book, sales book, purchase and sales return if it is there. Then final ledger. After ledger, you have to prepare trial balance. Now, first step, before you start this sum, you take one pencil and identify these transaction. What are all cash transaction? What are all the credit transaction? See, I'll tell one by one. Bought goods for cash 5,000. So this is cash transaction. March 1, second transaction, purchase from Hari Lucknow, 5 laptop, 35,000 each, 5 desktop, 25,000 each. See, purchase from Hari. Here, no cash is involved. So this is under credit transaction. So purchase book. The second transaction will go to purchase book. March 2, purchased computer and printers from Mr. Computer Mart against cash for office use. Here we purchase a computer and printers with cash. Okay, against cash means you directly pay the amount instead of that product. So this is under cash transaction, purchased computer and printers from Mr. Computer Mart against cash for office use. So this is under cash transaction. It goes to cash book. March 5, deposited into bank. So deposited into bank, this transaction move to cash book, and also this transaction under contra entry, deposited into bank. This entry is contra entry and comes under the head of cash book. March 7, sold goods to Sri Ramesh Chand, Kanpur, 2 laptops, 32 each. So sold goods to Ramesh. Here also there is no cash character involving here. So sold goods to Sri Ramesh Chand, Kanpur is credit transaction. That means sales book, credit sale. Sold goods to Sri Ramesh. So 2 laptop, 32 each. 2 laptops, 24 each. So this is under sales book. So March 10, received check from Sri Ramesh Chand on account. So received check from Sri Ramesh Chand on account. So this is under cash book. We received a check. We have to enter under cash book in bank column. So this is cash book. March 14, received another check in full settlement from Ramesh Chand. Here also the same, but the discount is involved because received another check in full settlement of Ramesh Chand. So Ramesh Chand 49,440 rupees instead of 50,000. So we received, actually we allowed discount because received another check in full settlement. So we allowed to him, we allowed to Ramesh a discount. Sold goods to Jagdish, Kolkata. 2 laptops, sold goods to Jagdish. So here also the same. This is under sales book. Let's trade discount. March 18, bought from Shyam Lal, Delhi. 10 keyboard, 1000 each. 10 mouse, 500 each. Okay. Here also bought from Shyam. So this is under purchase book. We bought something, we purchased something. The March 20, draw cash from bank for office use. So this is also withdraw cash from bank, just like a transaction of withdraw cash from bank. So this is a cash book, and this entry is contra entry because withdraw cash from bank. The cash account data to bank account. March 21, paid to Shyamlal in full settlement 16,500. So paid to Shyamlal. See, in this transaction, we already transact with Shyamlal. See, March 18, bought from Shyamlal. So purchase book. Here paid to Shyamlal in full settlement. What? How much amount bought goods? Shyamlal 15,000. No. So draw paid to Shyamlal in full settlement 16,500. Here also the discount is here. But this transaction goes to cash book paid to Shyamlal. March 23rd, cash sales 5 keyboard 1,200 each and 5 mouse 600 each. So this cash sales goes to sales, sorry, cash sales. So cash sales means cash book. March 25, paid salary cash book. March 28, paid rent cash book. March 30, paid into bank. Paid into bank 5,000. So paid into bank or deposited into bank. This is also called C condition. Cash book. March 31st, draw cash for personal expenses. So this is called drawings. This is also cash book. So one more character. See, single star. Single star. The placed here, no. The star denotes CGST, SGST payment. Double stars denotes IGST payment because the place is very Kolkata. See, our own place is Lucknow. Single star place CGST, IGST, CGST, SGST. Double star place IGST because the Kolkata is not belongs to Lucknow. Okay, so the double star we have to pay IGST, the single star we have to pay CGST, SGST. This step we have to find out whether we are paying CGST or else IGST. We must know that only I already told you. you must very careful regarding that place, the Lagno. The same place oriented, we need not to pay IGST. We just pay only CGST, SGST. The different state means you have to pay IGST amount. Okay, let me start our sum. First step, as I already told you, cash book, purchase book, if it is that under our sum, there is no returns or there, purchase return, sales return, there is no returns or there, so no need to open purchase return book, sales return book. Here you have to start cash book, purchase book, sales book, then ledger accounts, then after that trial balance. Now we have to start cash book. So cash book, first step, started with business cash. See, Sri Kailash Chand Lagno commenced business with cash 50,000. So this is called capital. So cash account data to capital, cash account data to capital. So you just place your hand in your debit column, debit side particular column, write to cash because cash account data. So cash is debit side, cash roll is debit side. You just place your hand in debit side and write to capital 50,000. Let me see the second transaction. Second transaction goes to purchase book. Okay. Third transaction also purchase computer and printers, a cash transaction, office use of a purchase. March to purchase of computer. So you purchase a computer account data. That means purchase of computer account data to cash. So now cash roll is credit. You place your hands in credit column and write purchase. See, office use. Yes. So see here, one star is there, no? Purchase computer and printers marked against cash for office use. So one star because there is no any place is here now. So it goes directly to CGST, SGST. So CGST, SGST calculation will start. This character is March 2, isn't it? March 2. See the March 2 character. By purchase 20,000, 20,000 into 6 percentage. Then 20,000 into 6 percentage, you will get 1,200. Now by input CGST 1,200, by input SGST 1,200. Okay, this is March 2 character. March 1 character, see the March 1, bought goods for cash 5,000. So purchase goods for 5,000. See, by purchase, this is also the same place. So 5,000 into 6%. 5,000 into 6%, you will get 300 for CGST and 300 for IGST. This is March 1 character. Then March 2 character, we already seen that. The next transaction, March 5, deposit into bank 15,000. Deposited into bank 15,000. See, deposited into bank. Now, what entry will come? Deposited into bank or debit the receiver. So, bank account data to cash account. Bank account data. You just place your hand in your debit side and debit side bank column and write 15,000 to cash account. Okay, cash account, that means um, you just write the journal whenever you start to enter contra entry. First step, you have to write journal, bank account data to cash account. So bank account data, you just place your hand in a bank column, debit side bank column, and write 15,000 to cash. The same way, cash playing credit role, you just place your hand in credit column, credit side cash column, and write 15,000 by bank. Okay, so March 5 we finished. The next, March 7, sold goods. So this is credit transaction, it goes to sales book. March 10, received check from Sri Ramesh on an account 75,000. So received check from Sri Ramesh Chand on account 75,000. See, this is also the same cash book. See, March 10, received check. So received check means what comes in debit, bank or bank account data. Bank account data to whom you receive, Ramesh Chand. So bank account data to Ramesh Chand. So bank account data. So bank playing debit role. You just place your hand in your bank column, debit side bank column, and write 75,000 to Ramesh Chand account. Okay. Then March 10. After that, March 14. Receive another check in full settlement of Ramesh Chand 49,440. See, here we are doing double column cash book, so we need not to write the discount thing. Okay. See, receive check from Ramesh, the same way, bank account data to whom you receive, Sri Ramesh Chand. So bank account data to Ramesh Chand. The same way, March 14 to Ramesh Chand 49,440. Now the next step, sold goods to Jagdish. The same way, this goes to directly sales book. March 18, bought from, so purchase book. March 20, draw cash from bank for office use. So withdraw cash from office use. So cash account data to bank account. So this is called contra entry. This comes under, it will comes under contra entry, draw cash from bank. So March 20, contra entry, draw cash account data. You just place your hand in cash column, debit side cash column, and write 17,000 to bank. The same way, cash is playing credit role. In credit side cash column, you just place your hand cash column and write withdraw cash means, yes, cash account data to bank account. So bank playing credit role. So 17,000 you have to write in credit side. Okay. Then March 20. After that, March 21 paid to Shamlal in full settlement 16,500. Paid to Shamlal. Okay, so Shamlal account data to cash account. See, cash account playing credit role. You just place your hand in credit column and write 16,500 by Shamlal account. Then see cash sales March 23rd cash sales. So cash account data to sale account. So here cash playing debit role. You just place your hand cash column, debit side cash column and write to sale 9 to sale. How much you sell pa? 1,200 into the 5. The same way 600 into 5. The total amount is 9,000. So here also the same place is not mentioned here. So directly we choose CGST as GST 6%. So 9,000 into 6%. The same. The next one March 21st paid salary. Paid salary, salary account data to cash account. Cash is playing credit role. You just place your hand credit side cash column and write to salary. Sorry, by salary. See, by salary 2,500. The same way rent paid 1,500. Rent paid 1,500. Rent account data to cash account. Cash playing credit role is the same way. By rent 1,500. Paid into bank 5,000. Paid into bank 5,000. See, the rent is paid rent. See, paid salary, we need not to consider IGST as GST, but under paid rent, so we have to pay CGST, IGST. Okay, because salary, rent, the two terms is differ. You are going to give one salary, you need not to pay any GST like that. But you have if you're going to pay rent, you have to pay CGST. What kind of tax? GST. Okay, paid rent. There is no any place mentioned here, so you directly goes to CGST as GST. So rent 1,500 into 6%, 90. Then paid into bank. Paid into bank means the same way bank account data to cash account, contra entry. Bank account data to cash account. So bank playing debit role. In debit side bank column, you just place your hand debit side bank column, write 5,000 to cash. The same way cash playing credit role, you just in credit side cash column hold your hand and write 5,000 by bank. That's it. So hereafter is very simple to total it. First of all, you have to total all the debit side and all the credit side. Okay, the credit side, the debit side balance, the debit side total balance is 77,080. So here we have to add up all the credit amount and less 77,080. You will get 7,000 900. This is called balance carried down. The same way you have to tally up the bank column. So in bank column, 1,44,440. So you have to less 17,000. After lessing 17,000, you will get 1,27,440. So this is our balance carried down. So we cannot say the same side balance carried down amount will fall. It may be either debit or credit side, or debit column cash column and credit side bank column. Either we cannot decide which side this balance carry down will fall on. Yes.